What is going on, everyone? It's Alex. I'm back here on my YouTube channel. It's been forever since I've made a video. I feel like the last few videos I've made is just me saying, hey, I'm sorry, I haven't been, making videos. I'm going to start making videos again. So I apologize first about, for making those promises and not, following through. I hope this is actually the video that's going to make a difference, or, I'm kind of starting at a new point right now, and that's why I'm making this video. Just going to explain a few things, kind of like a fresh start with my life and my career, and what you guys can look forward to. So as you see, the 280 is behind me here, and I don't know if you realize, but the background is a little bit different because I'm actually in my new shop that I'm renting. It's a shop that can hold about 4 cars, no lifts or anything like that. I'm actually not allowed to drill into the floor. But I did go ahead and get a space that's going to allow me to have space for cars and to work on cars and make some videos. So basically, I decided that it was time to make a change in my life and my career. I had the support of my family, my wife, my son. Basically, as far back as I can remember, I've been messing with cars. That's the reason I started this YouTube channel, and I kind of went down a path in my other career, which is nursing, that, not that I don't like, I fully enjoy being an operating room nurse, but my true passion is cars. So I figured if it was possible, I would love to do something that would allow me to work on cars pretty much every day. So I started with getting this shop, and the other thing I'd also like to announce is that I am now, as of, 3 weeks ago or so, I am a licensed independent vehicle dealer in the state of Florida. So, as I'm sure many of you may know, that allows me to go to auctions and buy cars and then sell them at my shop as, basically a dealer, a dealership. I'm not, obviously I have room for 4 cars, but it's just something to start and see, how it goes, see where this takes me. Like I said, this has kind of been a long time coming for me, and I finally just decided to take the first step in this direction. It's been years and years that I've wanted to do something like this, and I've been blessed with the support from my family. Like I said, had a few dollars saved up and decided to rent this shop and get my dealer's license and see where it takes me. I'd give you a little tour of the shop. I will do that on a future video, but I actually have a car sitting right here that's going to be new to the channel, something fun that I'll be working on. Kind of don't want to let the cat out of the bag just yet. So I'll be introducing that car in another video. The 280 is behind me, as you see. That progress is pretty much non-existent right now. I took a couple pieces off of it, kind of started stripping out the back just to see what I'm working with, but haven't really done too much with that. But like I said, in another video, I'll kind of give you more of a tour of the shop once it's set up. Over here I have some old couches and stuff, so it's kind of like a storage unit right now, but I'm in the process of getting it set up. And like I said, I'm legally a licensed independent dealer, so I do have a car in here that I'm fixing up, going to be selling. So I'm going to be doing that kind of one car at a time, just getting the feel of it, how things work from just a sale perspective, and then a legal perspective, just how everything's going to work. So I figured between doing that and then getting back into making videos and kind of doing projects that I can kind of put the two together. And hopefully, the idea is to be able to do this full time. But right now, this is just a step in that direction. And as I just touched on with plans for the dealership, it's starting slow. I'm limited on funds, honestly, at the moment with getting everything up and running. So I'm kind of just going out there seeing what I can get for a decent dollar that maybe needs some work just to be fine-tune and then sell and make a few dollars. Ideally, I would like this to be more of a specialty, specialty type dealership, offering, special model type cars, similar to the 280Z, 350Zs, G35s, all that, kind of more of a sporty specialty type operation. Ideally, I'd like to be that guy who goes out, finds you a good example of that car that you want, and then kind of makes the deal happen like that. That'll be down the line, and just seeing how things go right now. I'm just, like I said, I'm starting small, and just I have a Honda Civic in here right now that I'm working on. So just something small I can get my hands on and flip, make a few dollars from. But I'm really excited to see where this goes. Again, it's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I was kind of deciding if I want to do the independent dealer route or do a full-fledged, performance type shop. And right now I don't have the capital that it would take to start a performance shop with all the tools and equipment and that sort of thing. So this is kind of the most, I guess, financially efficient, I guess you could say, ways to go about getting into this industry, and having something that's mine. That's something that I've wanted for a long time, and that I can work hard, put my name out there, and give people a good product. So in any event, I hope you guys are excited to see the growth of what I hope is going to happen. I'd like to take you guys along for the ride. Like I said, I have a new little project here that I'll be hopefully doing a series on. I'll introduce it in a coming video and see what you guys think. It's something that I've wanted for a long time. It's pretty cool. It's unique. So we'll see what happens with that. But overall, I just want to be back making videos, messing with cars, and like I said, I decided, I'm gonna mess with cars anyway. Why not try and be productive with it? Maybe make a few dollars along the way. I've never been in it for the money. Obviously, I've spent way more money than I've ever made on cars or working on cars. But it's just a true passion I have, and hopefully it's something that one day maybe I can pay my bills with. And right now it's just kind of a side thing, and I'm still working with my other job, so I'm quite busy right now. It'll be a slow start, but that's something I've been working on since I think May of this year. So it's taken a little while, but it's finally coming along. And like I said, sitting in my own shop, I almost never thought I would be saying that. So I'm really excited, and I can't wait to see where this goes. And thank you to those who have stuck by me and kind of just been unfortunately waiting in limbo. Again, I do apologize. So I'm really trying to get back at this and incorporate making videos in the shop, like I said. So thanks again. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.